Are you facing in making UGC ad creation, or it is very much difficult for you to create a UGC ad for the brand? So I have created this video where you will get how to find or research the product, and on that product how you can make a UGC ad and sell to the brand. So see, first only we will use ChatGPT and Google Flow to create, and every prompt video or every prompt is available in the description, so go and check it out. So first we will do market research. So I use ChatGPT deep research. So what I did, first I created master prompt. So where is that prompt? Let's see. First I created the master prompt for my deep research on the ChatGPT. Okay. So which, just how the prompt is available, just I am showing you. See, this is my detailed master prompt for research of the tech brand which is needed the urgency of UGC ad. So what I did, only provide me a detailed master prompt. Provide me a detailed master prompt kindly for researching the tech brand which are urgently need the UGC ad for the marketing. So it provide me a detailed master prompt. So then I copied this. After copying this, I move to new chat, and there I pasted this prompt. There I see, here is the prompt. This is the prompt I pasted, and after pasting this, it provide me a deep research. If you want this what research guide, I will share it in the description, so go and check it out. So what conclusion it find, let me check out. Let's check. See. So first we can do a creative on busy ads. I download it, export to PDF. I will send it to you in the description. Downloaded. Let's see. So we can do Be Easy. It is a outdoor phone case and accessory where product analysis is also available, marketing analysis is also available. UGC opportunity means 8, 10 out of 8 means they are very much needed of UGC ads. So we can pitch them that I have created a video. We can do similarly. Many brands are available. Just check out this PDF and create. So I will go with first Be Easy. So let's go copy this. After copying this, open it on new Chrome. So let's check. Oh, this Be Easy waterproof plus drag the font. So we need image, their product. So this is the product. Let's visit their site. Be Easy. So Apple watches. On cases, let's create a add on iPhone case. Any product you can take. So let's use this to download it. Download this case. After downloading it, move to ChatGPT. Again, you move to ChatGPT. There you will pin it. So let's open new chat. After opening new chat, then send that image. Here is the image. After sending this image, paste this prompt. Here is the prompt. So paste this first prompt. This PDF you will get in the description, so don't forget to check the description. Control C. After copying this, move to paste here. After pasting it, then here you do create image. After creating, now it will provide image name. What? Control C, paste the product image name. It will be very much easy. It will be, then now do, it will create a professional image for my ad creation. Just to see how beautiful it will create. It is creating till now. We copy the second prompt here. Copy this prompt. Control C. After copying it, it is creating the image. See. A fully realistic UGC AI character is formed. Just download it, and again you use the ChatGPT to create YouTube script. Everything will do ChatGPT. Only two tool I told you, know, ChatGPT and Google Flow. Taking little bit time because the internet is so slow, that's why. Let's see what this PDF content. Complete character plus product green screen. That green screen is available because you can edit that green screen on your editing tool. Here consistent character add script it will come. After providing the image, it will provide you add script, and this is very important, converting the script into JSON file, because the machine can learn JSON file more easily. Here complete workflow is available. You can grab this PDF in the description, so don't forget to check the description. Here image is created. I'm thinking the image is created, just download it. I told it green screen. Once again I have to reload, I'm thinking so. Can you it gave the character only cartoonish, not realistic. I want realistic image. The time, but don't feel bored. Let's check. If ChatGPT cannot create such type of image, then we will use Google Gemini. Let's see how it created the image. Whether it created a cartoonist image or real image. So leave comment. What is going to be created? Which image? Cartoonist or real? Comment quickly. One second we created the same type of image. Let's use this image to create the video at first. Then download it. Download it. Downloading it. Paste. Paste this image. After pasting it, copy the second prompt. Which one? This one here. With this second prompt. After copying the second prompt, move to ChatGPT. Control V. It will create a ad script. So you can create 4 to 8 scenes, but I will, for this video I am going to create 3 to 4 scenes, not more than each, and it should be duration of, okay, Google Flow will create 10-second video. Don't answer. Then after copying this, copy this entire prompt, last prompt. After copying this entire prompt, again you move to ChatGPT, paste here. See, just paste here. It created in a sentence manner. I want this in JSON file. Provide me detail scene by scene JSON file for the video creation. See how beautifully it created. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, everything. So if you want this such type of PDF, and if this PDF is for every video ad creation, any UGC video ad creation, very amazing PDF. You can go and check it out in the description. Just copy this first one. I'm thinking, yes, created. Let's copy this first one. After copying this, move to Google Flow. Where? Google Flow. Create new project. After clicking new project, then upload your media. Here you will do upload media. Which media? I want this image. Just allow it. Then after downloading it, if you will press slash, it will show you the video or the photo which change it. I want to change to video creation. Video creation 9:1. Only one frame I needed. 8 seconds is much more. 12 credits even needed. Let's reduce to 6. You can use any. See, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds. I am preferring 6 seconds for this video, but you can create 10-second video also. Only depends on credit, how much credit it will use. I want this image. I will click. I paste this scene. After pasting this scene, now it is creating video. Similarly, move to PDF. Sorry, not PDF. ChatGPT. Where is ChatGPT? Copy second prompt. See the second prompt. After copying second prompt, move to Google Flow. Created video. Q&A. What happened? Creating. The internet is slow, and that's why taking so much time. also give, it will create such an amazing on this image as well as this image. After paste second prompt and from pasting, let's check our first video I have created. See, wow, what a nice music. Just listen it. Similarly, I am creating much more other videos, then you will combine it. Okay, so let's move to ChatGPT. Third prompt, Google Flow. There was this image, this image. Our last scene. Test both product image also as well as AI character image also. Now, yet
Adventure demands protection that never quits. Built for every trail, ready for every challenge. Meet Adventure demands protection that
now click on plus button, add clip. So which clip you have created? One, then I'm thinking only you have to add this scene, and after adding, download this and go to any editing tool where you will do minor editing and you can sell to the brand for high rate. So I am showing you how you can do. Just little bit time.
Adventure demands protection that never quits. Built for every trail, ready for every challenge.
Let me add this. Add clip. Ready. Creating this complete video, I will show. Now I'm playing.
Adventure demands protection that never quits. Built for every trail, ready for every challenge. Meet
Once again, I have to create the video. Add clip.